Okay.
Our section is Unit 6, Circles.
Properties of segments of circles. Two tangents.
Two tangents that intersect outside of a circle are congruent. In this example, A is equal to B.
Secant and tangent.
A tangent squared is equal to the outside of a secant times the entire secant.
Two secants.
The outside of a secant times the whole of the secant is equal to the outside of another secant times the whole of the other secant.
Two chords.
The two parts of a chord multiplied by each other are equal to two parts of another chord multiplied by each other.
Radius and a tangent.
A radius and a tangent that intersect on a circle form a right angle. To solve these, you can use the hypotenuse, the Pythagorean theorem, to solve for the missing side.
Pause the video and try these examples. Properties of angles of circles.
Central angles are equal to their arc lengths. Inscribed angles are equal to their arc lengths times 1/2. Interior angles are equal to their arc lengths added together divided by 2. Exterior angles are equal to the bigger arc length minus the smaller arc length divided by 2.
Pause the video and try these examples. Sector area, arc length, and equations of circles. Sector area.
Sector area is the wedge-shaped interior regions of a circle formed by central angles. The formula is pi r squared times the angle of AB divided by 360. Example, find the sector area of the circle. X and Y is the length of the radius, Y is the center. Okay.
Arc length.
Arc lengths are the pieces of the circumference by central angles. Formula 2 pi r times angle of AB divided by 360. Example, find the arc length of XZ.
Standard form.
Standard form of the equation of a circle with its center origin at x squared plus y squared equals r squared. R equals radius. Example, r squared plus y squared equals 16. Graph the circle. Equation not centered at origin is parentheses x minus h parentheses squared y minus k squared equals r squares. The center is hk and the radius is r. Example, standard equation of the circle with a center of 4 and -3 and a radius of 7.
Identifying the center and radius.
Example, x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 10y plus 16 equals 0. You must put this in standard form. Complete each square by dividing by b in half, then square b. B is 8 and -10. And then add the results to -16. Factor each square.
Writing an equation that passes through a point.
Example, write the equation of the circle with a center of 1 and -3 that passes through the point 2 and 2. Use the distance formula for step 1. Substitute, then simplify, then put it in the standard form. Then you do the same thing for substituting and simplifying.
Writing an equation only given the diameter and endpoints.
Example, write an equation of the circle that has a diameter with endpoints -9 and -4 and -6 and -14. Use the distance for step 1. Simplify, then find the radius. Use the midpoint formula, then put it in standard form.
Pause this video and try these example problems. Here's the answer key for all the practice problems.
Credits: Equation of Circles and Arc Lengths / Sector Area by Laurenz Properties of segments of circles, Cameron Peel. Properties of angles of circles, Ali Ahmed.